Okay, it's Friday, July 15th. Just showing you a scalp type trade I made on Tesla puts the end of the morning here. I bought the puts at 30.43. I sold some of it a point higher, 31.50, a little more than a point higher, and then I exited the rest at 32. And just to show you kind of what was developing here, well, let me go. First of all, you can see here on the 15-minute chart in terms of structure on the day, we opened up higher, we went down, we came up a little bit, and then we kind of had a two down. We tried to go two up again, but we had the big shooter bar. So that's where I bought the puts here it looks like the overall structure of the day is down. We try to rally twice up to take out just a liquidity high right here and had the shooter bar. So to me, we were going to come down below that low right there at the blue line. And that's kind of the scalp trade I made in terms of how price action was developing here. So you can see here, bought the puts here at the blue line on this shooter bar to the downside, and then we did come down to my target area. And we might head lower. The key thing too is on the daily chart, I saw this as an inside day that was failing to the upside. I mean, in other words, we had the inside day. It's a down week because we started the week here red a couple of days. We tried to rally for 2 days. So today on Friday was the inside day that started out to the upside, took out the target right here, but then failed early in the session. So if anything, I see a potential failure to the downside, which also kind of created my bias on the 15-minute chart once I kind of saw, in the morning what was happening here. But it was really, we could have pushed all the way up higher here, given that we're continuing higher on the day. We're still above the midpoint of the prior day. But when I saw this second shooter bar, that was kind of my signal to give it a shot. You can see here now we're heading down for 2 bars. And who knows, we might, really fail on this day, take out the midpoint of that bar and head all the way down to those lows and close very low on the week here. So that's kind of developing. If you wanted to kind of set up a no-risk trade, just take a short profit, see if we head down to the lows and kind of had your break-even stop up around these highs. But I just decided it's before lunch. I need to do some things. I just wanted to take a scalp trade. It was pretty high probability. So I just thought I'd point out the various, some of the logic involved in that one, and it worked out nicely.